Hey guys, today we will be discussing start events in camunda-bpmn. For that, click on bpmn diagram. By default, you will have the start event, or you can drag the start event from here. Okay, if you have start event here, then it is a start event. Okay, for now, what we do is we add basic task and we make this task type as script task for now, and we add an end event. Okay, for now you can give any script. I will make it as a field expression. Name some dummy variable, anything. It's not important. Okay, I will give my workflow name as start event test. You can give any name, it doesn't matter. And I will give same ID, and currently camunda is running. I use this command to run the camunda. Okay, and my operate is up. Okay, I don't have any instances. Let me deploy this one. First I need to save this, just a minute. Sources non-start event. This one is called, this particular start event is called also as non-start event. This one called non-start event. Okay, source main resources bpmn. No, start event. Okay, we will deploy this. Okay, in operate we can see that, and we don't have any instances here. Let's go and write the Java code for this. I have created a Spring Boot application. Okay, you can find this particular application GitHub URL in the description. Now what we do is we remove this. Okay, you need to create the you need to get the ZB client bean, and for that we should have this configuration as well. Okay, this configuration. Here what I am trying to do is, whenever I run this application, I want to trigger that particular workflow. Okay, for that I will use post construct void, maybe call, you can give any name, it doesn't matter. CB client dot new create instance command dot bpmn process id, go to here, and this is your bpm process id. Okay, add this here. Okay, and use the latest version, or if you want to give the particular version, you can give particular version here. For now we will use the latest version. And variables, we are not going to give any variables. Okay, and send join. Okay, now let's run the workflow. Okay, we ran the workflow once. Now go to command, sorry, operate, reload. Yeah, workflow is triggered once. Now let's run the workflow again. Okay, it's got triggered again. Okay, that is start event. And let's take, if you want to send some variables from Java code to the workflow. Okay, now what we do is go to Java, call workflow. Now click on this dot variables. Okay, in variables you can pass key and value, or you can pass object, any Java object, any Java string and input stream, and you can pass hash map. For now I will pass only one variable, that is name, and its value I will give I am from Java. Okay, let's run. Okay, currently this one, the previous one, let's open this. Okay, I have only dummy. This is the value this value we got from the here, the task. Here we gave some, right? And let's open the latest one which we triggered. Is the latest one. Okay, we got name, I'm from Java. We sent here from Java. Suppose let's take what we wanna add now is, let's take show it here. Okay, like accessing this particular variable in the workflow. Go to bpmn. Here we need to, we can write the field expression here. Okay, here let's take here I send the name, I'm from Java, right? I want to assign this value to some other variable. Camunda, click on this. Temp where, I name it as temp where. Okay, and I want name. Okay, now deploy this. Now dashboard is 0 instances currently running. Total 2 versions of this workflow is there. Now go to the code, and here we will send name. Okay, now we will have 2 variables. When we, what we are expecting is, when we trigger the this particular workflow, we will have the 2 variables. One is name and another is temp variable, and temp variable value will be copied from here. Okay, run it. Complete, and this is the latest one. See, both are same. And let's try one more thing. Go to camunda, task, name, take, what we get is give name. Okay. Okay, so what we are expecting is the value of message will be name from Java, and whatever the name we pass in the code. Okay, name, I will give my name Kish. Okay, let's run it. Okay, to operate, go back. This is the latest template. Oh, sorry, we didn't deploy it. Okay, go to another Spring Boot app. Okay, operate latest. Okay, see, name we are sending in the code, we are setting name as Yogish, and in the camunda we are setting message as name from Java is Yogish. Okay, that's all for the start event. Basically start like I showed how we can trigger the workflow using start event programmatically. In the next section we will learn how to use message start event. Okay, thank you.